Okay, so what's up, guys? Are you up there looking for a USC number for your verifications? Are you looking for a USC number to do an online verification, a course verification, or anything else you can use to do online? And guys, if your answer is yes, then this video here is for you. You can see I'm starting everything from the scratch of my phone. I'm going to show you everything on my phone, how I used to get my USC number, used for my verifications online, used to do my things online. You know, some of the apps, before you can access them, they will say, oh, you have to verify with your USC number. And guys, here you are in Ghana, I'm also in Ghana, or here you are in Africa. Okay, Africa countries. How do we get that USC number? Yes, I'm here to show you how to go about it. So that was much time. I just want you all to do something for me by subscribing to my channel Shapiro Acid and turning on the notification button to be notified when I drop more video. What that will do is that will enable you to be the first to watch my videos anytime I drop video about how to make money online. You can see on my playlist here, on my videos columns here, I have a bunch of videos that talk about how to make money online. So if you are there, if you are somebody there looking for a way to make money online, then this my video here is the best video for you to watch and know the best and the most working method to make money online. So with that much I said, let's hop into the video real quick. So we are going to Play Store. So those of you, before I go inside this video, those of you using iPhone or Android phone, it's work worldwide. Don't worry, it's work worldwide wherever you are. So before anything else, you just go to our Play Store. I'm using Android phone, so let me just go to the Play Store real quick. Okay, so we are here at the Play Store. You can see you have an app here called the Test Plus, as you can see top here. So just click on Test Plus and search for Test Plus. So when you are here, you can see you have the install button. I have it already. I've been using it already, so I have it on my phone already. But those of you who have not been using it your first time, then I will encourage you all to install it and open and click on the open button for it to open. So let's wait for it to open real quick and let me show you how it works. Quick. Okay guys, so here you are. You can see at the top here they said a complete free to use mobile service with the features of a fan modem messenger, as you can see there. Okay, so all that you need to do here is click on the they have written get started. So let me just click on the get started. Now allow them to access your location. If I don't use any VPN, no, VPN is not needed here, so I will not encourage you watching this video to use VPN because VPN is not encouraged here. So real quick, and they are telling us to sign up with our Google account, whatever you are using. So let me just choose my Google account. Let me just sign up with my Google account real quick. Okay, real quick, it's loading. Okay, so let me just choose a random Google account here. Okay, let me just choose this one real quick. So guys, it will take some time, so don't just be patient and everything will come as you all want. So just be patient with things and everything will be at your doorsteps. So let's just wait for it to load real quick. Okay, sign up with the username and continue. You can see that you can see this is how the number will be generated for you. You can even play games and win a lot of things here. You can even send messages and all those things. So this app got a lot of things to do here, as you can see. Okay guys, so when you click on the get started and you sign with your Google account and everything, this is how it's supposed to come like this. Sorry for the mistaking of this video, I'm very sorry for that. So it says welcome to your new phone service. Messaging is always free and calling free by watching videos and this. So let me just go back. Now why can you get our number? Now you can click on the plus sign to create a new group or compose a new message. So let me see where we can get our number real quick. So they said tap here to get, okay, tap at the front here to get your free number. So you can say add number and email address. So let me just go to add email address. Okay, so give them the verification code. Let me just give them an email verification code for that email. So as you can see, you need to verify your email first before you'll be able to go. So let me just click continue. You need to verify your email first before they will be able to generate the number for you. Okay, so I'm very sorry for the complicated. It seems like I made the video so complicated to you. I don't mean to do that before. It seems like I got confused in a way. So yeah, everything is on target, as you can see. So they will send you your verification email for you to verify your account. When you verify your account, then boom, you are there to go. And don't worry, I'll show you all in this video before ending up in this video real quick. Okay guys, so as you can see, they said that an access code has been sent to your email. So all that you need to do is just go to your email box. It seems like I've not received it yet. I've not yet received it, so I'll just wait for it real quick. Let me enter my email and see whether I've received it. I've not received it yet, so I'll just wait for it to come and Just give it to them, and here we go. Okay, let's go back. So guys, as you can see, they have sent the code to me successfully. So all that I need to do is just to copy the code, go back to and paste it here. So paste the code here. Okay, paste. Oh, sorry. Let's just go and keep the code in our head and come and paste here. Just like simple. So the code is what 7282. So let's come back here successfully. Come back here. So 77282. Okay. So let's just wait for it to be verified, and guys, boom, here we go. You can use your number anywhere, anyhow you want. Okay, so after verification, they said out find friends and be found. Okay, thanks. Now people will know that's my email address. Can find it in front of. Okay, we are done with that. You're not here for that. So now you go ahead with the state. So if you want now, USA number. USA is having a lot of states. So you can see this is a state all USA is having. But in today's video, I would like a number from California. So I'll just click on the California, click on OK, go to the code, some code that you want yourself. So I would like to use a code like plus. Let me use this code 424 for California. So then continue and click on what customize a number. So you can see they say activating. So just wait for it. Oh sorry, please your network. Okay, since like my network is very bad, I have to try again. Let me just try again real quick. Okay, so it seems like I was using the first one, it was not coming, so I have to change my location, the state, and the number. So you can see that your new number is, so that's my new number. So I can click on the message. Once I click on message right now, I'll be able to message people with this same number, this USA number, that they would think that okay, the person okay. So let me just, maybe I want to message somebody like, okay, let me just message my friend here real quick, and tell her something like hi, how are you doing? Okay, so something like this. Okay, so let me just click on send. Okay, so they say I should ask my friend to download this before she'll be able to see the message that I've sent to her. And guys, I can also call my friends in this app too. So, or if you are, let me just show you something. So when you're here, when you're your friend's page here, and you want to check your number, all that you need to do just to click on the three dots here. You can see your number. My number, customer number is right here with you. So that's how you got. We go about by getting USA number in Ghana or in Africa countries. So guys, when you think you have found a value in this video, or you like what I'm doing so far, guys, go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video and click on the subscribe button below to be updated anytime I post more videos, and it will notify you anytime I drop videos about how to make money online and a lot of make money online videos. So guys, see you on my next video, and don't forget to share this video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. And guys, I will encourage all of you to check out the 3 videos here. Check out the 3 video. No, check out the 2 videos on your screen right now. Click on the 2 videos on the screen right now. That's the best way. I recommend it for you to make money online. So check out the videos on your screen right now. And without how much I say, expect nothing but the best video from me. And see you in my next video. I'm out.